Hi YouTube, what's up? Shout out to all my Ryker riders and Ryker family out there. I just want to thank everybody for helping me get to 1,000 subs. YouTube just announced this membership program, so I was just looking into it, wanted to try it out. So something I could offer you guys. I will not be changing my content. I will still be doing my videos, my podcasts, my DIYs, and my live events. But this is just a little something out there to help support the channel that I can offer. So my first one is going to be the Ryker Family membership. It's 99 cents. And for 99 cents of becoming a YouTube member, joining my channel, you get a shout out on all my videos, plus a little pop-up of your name, of your video, your Ryker, or your channel, depending on what you send me, right? So if you join the Ryker Plus, Ryker Family Plus, you get a shout out on my videos, a rolling on 3 sticker, and one of my rolling on 3 pry tools. That you'll just like that, one of the pry tools just like that. That's for being in the Ryker Family Plus. Now I also have the Ryker Family Plus, which is pretty cool because you get a shout out, you get the sticker, you get the tool, and you get an exclusive link to join me in all my live Can-Am talk shows. So it's just something for you guys to think about. Like I said, nothing will change with what I'm putting out. This is just something I was going to use to help me support the channel and keep it growing. If you're interested, the join button is in the link in description below. And thanks everybody, and stay tuned for the next video dropping.